So we're trying to do a three-way switch using a sensor. However, our main load is on that one, but we want the sensor to be on this one. So how to do that? Well, we bought two switches and hopefully it works because it's supposed to share the same white load wire, but I don't really know how he wired this, so it may work. We'll see. This is the main one over here. This is a three-way switch. Two of them is traveling, and I think this is the hot one. Travelers. It working? The regular work?
Yeah.
This one hot?
This one hot.
You turn off the power.
Yeah.
You put in, but how you take out.
Right.
This one go in, but how you go out.
Yeah.
Only go in,
Yeah.
but how you go out.
Oh, move it.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. In easy.
Easy.
Out no easy.
No easy.
All right. They say, I think if you have the same neutral, then it work.
Oh, okay.
That one have the same neutral?
Neutral? No.
No.
No. No, it's the same.
Maybe no work.
Check. Uh-huh.
Where's that box? So we're trying to achieve. First of all, this is the brand. I don't think it matters. Ecolar, about $13 a piece. We're trying to do this right there. So the one that is the same as the white wire, the same neutral, the same blanco. No same blanco, no work.
No work.
Uh-oh. You see here? The white one. This one is over here, original.
Mm-hmm.
Over there, the light of the white one go all the way over here, the same white one. Neutral. The black is the traveling wire. The blue is the traveling wire. Oh, so the blue one, this is the traveling wire.
Yeah.
This one and the same blue over there, the same?
Yes.
Okay, so the blue is the same, 100%. This one, the
Yeah.
same one over there.
Yes.
Then the black one,
The same.
the black one. This one's a black one?
Mm-hmm.
Or this is the power?
This is the power.
So, hot is the black one. So, this one's power.
Mm-hmm.
Go here. And that one also need the power. That one have 120?
120, yeah.
Go inside the black one?
Yes.
Okay. Then only the red one, no use.
No use here?
Over there.
Okay.
Over there, the red one, because the light is going on this one, right?
Yeah.
The light, right here, the load,
Yeah.
that light is where?
For the light? Oh, this is for the light.
The light is over there?
Yeah. The power here.
Well, if this is the light, you only put this one over there, and over here, regular.
Oh, okay.
This is a regular three-way. Over there, the special one. Because wherever the light is, the white and this is the light.
Okay. Right.
I thought you put the light here. The three-way go over there, and then this light go over there?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought the light over here. So you do like this. This one, regular.
Yeah.
This one over there. Only do one. The red one go to the light. The white one go to the light. And the black one hot. The blue one traveling. This. So I think we do this one.
Let me check.
All right, we have to end this video.